Yeah, so I have started a virtual machine. So let's create a new virtual machine. Next, let's choose the ISO file. So I have already downloaded it. So this should save time. Okay. So it's a Linux. Since it's Ubuntu based, so I'll select this one. Pear OS. Next, let's give it 25 GB for now. Next, customize hardware. I'll give 8 GB or 16 GB, or processor. I'll give uh, 2 and 3. Basically, 6 processor, and everything else I'll keep it in the same way. Okay. The processor, new USB controller network. So it's basically NAT. Okay. So yeah, let's close this now. Finish it. So let's start the virtual machine now. I'll make it. Okay. I'll start it. Okay. Okay, so basically this is installer. It's asking which one to run. Okay, so I'll choose the first one. BIOS GPU driver. Now polymorph. Okay. Both existing. Okay. I'll choose the first one. Let's see. So this is how it looks. So the symbol also looks like half cut apple. So basically it's Pear. So maybe it's discontinue or just because. Okay, I'll make it a bit bigger. 25. Apply. Okay. So hope you can see it now. So this is how the interface looks. So you can see, as you can, if you have used macOS, you'll know this. It has become smaller again. Let's see. Make it bigger. Apply. Apply. Keep it. Okay. So now, so if I minimize this, see. Okay, fine. We'll explore these things later. So let's see. So this is welcome screen. So it's asking what we need to do. So install Pear OS, install Pear OS, screen resolution. This we'll explore these things later once. Let's see. So for now, I'll try to install this. Install English. Restore from the time machine. Install Pear OS is nice one. So this one I'll choose. Continue. Continue. Agree. Agree. Yeah, continue. Cancel. Okay. Yeah, so this is a disk I have allocated. So basically it's 25 GB. Continue. So the interface looks great. Since this project is discontinued, I'm not sure whether it is still live or not. Let's see that. So this is all about it. So introduction I have already given. Okay, so how to install, donate, download. Okay, so 11th March 2026. This is the updated one. So I think this is active. Somewhere I have seen that it is discontinued. Maybe it's a wrong information. So this is the basic requirement. We can see minimum requirement processor 2 gigahertz, RAM 4 GB, storage 25 GB. Even after the interface, like good interface, the system requirement is pretty good. Like it's not very high end requirement. Okay, and this is the basic requirement. And if this is the recommended, so basically, if you have this configuration, it will perform good. Okay, so 8 GB RAM, 50 GB space, GPU with 1 GB VRAM. If you have GPU, that's good. Display is 1920 by 1080 and installation media 4 GB or more. So this is the basic requirement. Meanwhile, it's installed. I'll walk you through. So basically, the size is 3.85 GB, 64-bit architecture. KD is Plasma. Desktop is KD is Plasma. So that is modified. Basically, the KD Plasma desktop is modified to look like Macintosh. Yeah, so great latest version Pear OS is nice core. So the latest version nice core name is nice core. Experience the smoother Linux distribution. Download how to install everything is there. So basically, you can download, and if you need, you can read through this. So if you need paid support, also that is also possible. So these are the uh, like cost attached to it. So $5 per month monthly subscription. So all these things are supported, support development, warmth, easy feeling, our eternal gratitude, priority support, early access, support bad, all coffee benefits. Okay. So these all you can read through this. Okay. So you can use it freely also. That's not an issue. Okay. So rest all you have seen. Okay. So let's go back to our um, installation now. This is installing. Estimate remaining time is 14 minutes. So basically, it will take 14 minutes. Okay. It will take 14 minutes. So maybe we can explore in between. Go to live environment. Okay. Still installing. Uh, See, this is a kind of bug also. I can go back, agree. Again, I have to start over. Continue, continue. Okay. So it's showing from here only. Okay. Installation failed because it's trying again to install. That's why close it. Okay, fine. This is done. Okay. Some bugs are there, or maybe some issue is there. Uh, Something has happened to this. Let's change my theme. I'll change my themes. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's see now. Otherwise, I'll restart it again. Something is not okay. So I'll restart it once. Restart. So this is how it works. Sometimes we encounter issues while installing. And also I'm installing it into a virtual machine. So maybe due to that, it's failed or something. So it's not starting. Let's see. I'll shut it down and start again. Let's see if it works. So then I'll again create a new VM. I think it's stuck or something. Instead of waiting for a long time, I will. I'll shut it down and create the VM again. I'll get after deleting it. Manage, delete from this. That's fine. Let's create it again instead of waiting time. Okay. So Pear OS, next, Linux, Pear OS, 50 GB I'll give this time. Configuration hard, 16 GB. 4, 4, 2. So 8 core I'll assign. This should be fine now. Finish. Okay. If is there any option to give graphical memory? In 3D specify monitor setting. Monitor setting. Let's see. This should be okay. The worst setting. Okay. This looks fine. Okay. Let me see if I can add graphics. I cannot add it. Let it be. Okay. Close it. Finish. Let's boot it now. Okay. Let's start again. Maybe due to bug or something, it has crashed or something. I don't know. Maybe if Pear OS developer watch this, they should know better. So it's starting now. Okay. So I'll first increase the resolution. What it does, let's see what it does. Okay. The face is great, but somehow performance is lagging or degraded. Okay, fine. Let it be. Okay, so this looks fine. Keep it. You can scale it. Okay. Apply. Okay. This looks fine. You can change it later. If things are there, refresh rate, you can change. Brightness. This is like, this is a good option. Apply. Okay. So we'll explore these things later. So let's install it now. So this is how we have already seen. This is the welcome screen. So it's giving me option to install Pear OS. Pear OS. Screen resolution. This did not work somehow. I don't know. Let's see what it does. Okay, I will explore this. That. This should do something. What is it? Okay, fine. So update mirror list, update system. Some issue is there, I think. So maybe it's not very stable. So let's install it first. Let's see. I will not change anything this time. I'll wait for it to complete. Okay. So this is fine if you have picked back your system that you want to install. Basically, this overall interface just looks just like macOS. Next, I want to install new. So choose this, continue, continue, agree, agree, release, continue, continue. Okay. So let's wait for it. It's estimating the time. Currently, it's showing estimated time is 1 minute 30. It will increase and it will go up to 10-15 minutes, I think. Okay. So I'll pause this video for now. Like once this complete, I'll come back again. So currently, as you can see, it's showing me estimated time remaining is 14 minutes 12 seconds. Somehow it's increasing. So maybe it has not estimated yet. So hopefully it should not take more time than so basically I have seen in many of the Linux distribution just gets installed under 3-4 minutes or 5 minutes maximum. If I install it into VMware, but this is somehow taking more time. I'm not sure why. I'm installing it first time, so no idea. So let's wait. Anyhow, I don't have any other option. Just to wait. So maybe if you install it directly in the system with good hardware, maybe it will perform better. But this is how it is now. And somehow it just keep on increasing. Like it started from 1 minute and it's around 18 minutes now, 36 and it's increasing. So I'll wait for it. Maybe I'll pause the video for now and we'll see after some time. Yeah, so I have just enabled the log from here, like from in here, show logs. Okay, so it's showing me the logs. So I think there are a lot of errors which are going on. Generating mock, generating blue, used for some logs have like whatever it's doing, it's generating log for it, and I can see in the beginning a lot of errors. Fail to retrieve multi-live core DB, extra DB. These are the things which it's not able to download. Our database download library, and the installation has failed. Okay. So these things has happened and the installation has failed now. So I'll close this for now. Failed to install grub legacy. Okay. Okay. Update the list. Somehow it's very buggy. I don't know. I'm not sure I will be able to use this. I'm not sure the reason behind why it's happening. But sorry, excuse me. What's new about us? What should I do with this? Nothing is working. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Close. Close. I'll try to install again. Let's see. Next. So what I'll do partition now first. Let's see if this works. Mhm. Delete. Amount. Delete. New. Partition. Okay. This is fine. Partition name. Primary partition is fine. Label line. There should be mount point over here, but it's somehow it's not there. So add format to ext4. Apply. Close. So basically, this drive is done. Format to mount. Resize, copy, format. There should be an option of mounting, but it's not there. So fine, let it be. Okay, so it says already mounted. Fine. So now, if you have bad of a system that you want to install, I don't have this browser to support get headphones or computers. No, that's right. See, there is when using the Safari web browser icon. So let's continue now. Let's see. Agree. Continue. This is selected. MacOS does not include. See, they even write Mac OS. Somehow they cooperate things from there, but Mac is Mac. Does not include an option for multi-boot or partition any computer is fine. Thank you for understanding. Okay, continue. Okay, let's see the logs now. Whether it is failing, started failing actually. Delete partition success. Interface I like a lot, but it's very buggy. It's not working. So it's being failed again. Actually, it's root mount sync local time. Please check home desktop install log. Go to live environment. Dark theme. A lot of things are not working. I'm not sure why. What is that? No. Format to level file system. Check. Right. Close. What is the error? I'm not sure. I hope it's worked. But what is this? I don't know. Let's reboot it. I'll try this last time. If it works, that's okay. Otherwise, I'll stop trying. I have given good amount of system resources to it, but somehow it's not working. Even after rebooting, it's not coming up. Let's see if I have another. Yeah. Install, download. Okay. Stop. Yes. I will use download the amazing. Okay. Download. Right. Okay. Let's re-download it. I'll do that one also. I'll stop till it gets downloaded. Okay. So I have downloaded the ISO again. I'll try again once more time. Well, right, if it does not work in VMware, I'll try something else. Okay. Let's delete this. And let's delete from disk. A virtual machine. This time I'll give less amount of resources to it. Linux, that's fine. Pear OS, next. It's fine. Fine. Let's vote it. Invite it to start. Uh, what happened? Internet killed my hard disk. Mm. Clear TMS, POS. Okay. What's the issue then? Okay, I'll shut it down. I'll try to. Somehow it's not working. I'm not sure why. So I'll delete this again. New machine. Next. Install. Browse. Pear OS. Fine. Next. Okay. So I did not select it. So first time that was the issue. Next. Pear OS. 25 basically. Hardware 8 GB and 3 processor for 8 virtual processor cores. Let's let it start again. Meanwhile, I'll download VirtualBox. Where the VirtualBox? Unlock. Host. Or discontinued. Not sure. Since we track. It does not imply the VirtualBox base package. It's supposed to file the license under this. Continue head on. And so this is downloaded. I'll start the installation now. Yes. Okay. Next. Next. Well, yeah. Yes. You forward you don't want to desktop. Next. Right. Okay, let it install. Use resolution. Okay. So maybe I'll explore it instead of trying to install at first. Okay. Let's see if it works. No. Yeah. Okay, let's explore this first. When it's done, I will try to install. So this is how the desktop looks. So if you click Peer Finder, okay. So basically, this is File Explorer. It's just modified version of GNOME, downloads and everything else. Come here, next. This is applications which are there. Okay, so these are the default applications which are installed. Okay, right. Let's see. This is text editor. It's long. Okay. I don't know why it's going. Great list. Great is fine. Calculator. Gparted. I'll just try to. create one, something partition, new parallel device, create partition table, apply device, create partition table, GPT, I think let's select GPT, apply, fine, new, primary is fine, ext4 is fine. I don't think label is good, add, apply, apply. Okay. We'll try this way, let's see. So partitioning is done and it's available now. Should I have name partition, manage flags, manage flags, let's set it to boot, close, fine. Right, so we have done the partitions. Okay, so let's go this way. We'll see, we'll do the installs later. And this is just like Safari. It's also called Safari. Wow. Yeah, there's just Safari and Safari. Great. So this is how I think this is. No. Okay. Okay. Safari. Edit. Go Windows. Panel. Here is safety ID. Okay. This is good. Control this. I actually wanted to see about like it is not there. Wait. Okay. This is Finder, 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 okay. Without Fasadi. Here it's nice. Detail. Site. Here's that Fasadi, okay. Okay, this is the browser source port over here. Which one what? So, okay, this in WebKit rendering. Okay. Fast opens for web browser engine. Okay, so it's based on different. I think it's based on the same Safari engine. Okay, kind of complete. So we have seen the Finder, app launcher, Safari, what is this? Email. Basically we see a mail client. And this is map. This is the gallery. Like mail and all. This is calendar. This is contact, to do, notes, music, app center, app store. We'll see app store and CD connect. System settings. Okay. So let's see the app store first. Okay, so then we have so these are the different apps which are available for this. So in the picture, that work. You know, they are still like they just started building it again. Since it was discontinued, a lot of things are not working. Network is connected. See, network is connected. The digital network is connected. So see, these things are not coming somehow. Discover. Okay. So these applications are there. Maybe you can install. These are like only the application which I can see, which is under construction update. Let's see what it does. Okay, let's close this. App Center is not working perfectly. They connect. What is this? Let's see. Okay, no, okay. So you can connect Android app phones to this. So settings, we'll see. So settings are basically just like any genome settings or like try to imitate the Mac setting. So Wi-Fi is connected, Bluetooth network, battery. Okay, so this is battery report, general accessibility, appearance. It's not resizing also. Don't know why. Light, dark, right, light. This is appearance, menu bar, which are not available, integration, desktop and dock, this is not available, display, and let it be. This is wallpaper. What is this? Pear OS. Okay. Dock is like Snap is working somehow. Okay. Okay. I let it be. Okay. So these are some desktop wallpapers. You want you can use it. Fine. Okay. Let's move forward now. Spotlight. Not available. Notification. Not available. Sound. Stare. Focus. Not available. Screen time. Not available. Or maybe they will have these things in professional version or something. I'm not sure. Lock screen. Privacy. Okay. Fine. Touch ID and password. I don't have Touch ID. A user group. Internet account. You know, this is all about the settings. We could find this is what you welcome screen. Display configuration, which we have already seen it. Reset. Right. Let's close. If closing it, taking it here. If you want to close like this. And close like this. G parted, we have already seen. Account wizard. Okay. Something you have to create account. If you want to create account, that is the okay. This is file manager. Okay. This is a cycle bill. I don't think it's usable for now. Not sure if I'm only experiencing it, but I'm not very much convinced to use it. Anyhow, I won't use it for now. Maybe once this is mature enough, you can give it a try. You can install because as interface looks good. So suppose if you are missing Mac OS really, you can come and install this. Or there are a lot of many other Linux distributions which are awesome. Which you can use this. Fine. So let's try to install once more time. Somehow it stops working if I do this. I'm not sure. What is this? What is this? See, somehow it stops working. Next. Or next. Continue. Agree. Agree. This one. Continue. Continue. Let's see if it works this time. Okay, so let it run. You'll see. And what I'll do, I'll try to install it in VirtualBox. If it is VMware column, news, errors, other. This is where I'm select. Okay, so it's a to ISO image. I need to select. Okay, I have kept it here. Yes. Okay. Anything else? So I have to select other OS, Linux, other Linux. Debian is fine because Windows is also Debian based. Let it be. Proceed with unattended, not required. This option is there. Next, there's memory. 13 GB. I've given. Let's give 16 GB. Number of CPU. 5, 6. Disk space 20, 30 GB is fine. Use EFI. Not sure about this. Next, finish. Power on. I'll see the logs. If it is failing again, so it's failing again. So I don't think it will work. So I'll close this now. Shut it down. Shut down. Yes. Delete. Yes. Close. See, I'll try this here and see if it works. Okay, let's just do the display configuration. Here are more options are there actually. Right. Keep. No, not this. This is fine. Okay. So this is performing better in this one, VirtualBox. I can see. Let's see. Okay. This. Start. Next. Continue. Agree. Agree. Continue. Continue. Okay. It works. Okay. Still the same issue. Synchronizing package database. Failed to synchronize all database, unexpected error. Some issues there with the repository or something. It's not able to connect to internet. Unexpected end of file with reading. Will I be able to copy? Let's see if I'm able to copy or not. No difference. Not to reload. Okay. Let's see if it is copied or not. Got it. Yes, let's see. Basically, the text is not copied. It's available here only. Take screenshot. Okay. Everything is working. Downloading, installing package, synchronizing package database. Not sure whether it will work or not. After seeing this error, copy. Yeah. Let's see if it works. I have another option to search this error. Let's see. I don't think it will be auto anymore. Okay. Database. Auto. I'm not sure what is working or not. I'll take the screenshot and ask the chat GPT what is the error. I'll close this. Okay. Let's see. Chat GPT. Okay. Okay. The system type. This looks bad. Okay. The things. This week. Settings. Close. I'll restart it. Let's see. Close. Restart. Yes, it. I'll try this last time. Let's see. This time is from March 15, 16. Okay. Configure. Source operator general. My 0910 is not correct. How to change this settings? What's it with there? Let's see. I got one reason why it's failing, but not getting option to change the time. Let's set the time. The bus. It's UTC. I need to change it to ITC. It's fine. So time is changed now. Let's try to install once more. Let's continue. Continue. Okay. Let's see the logs now. Still. Still the same issue. Don't think this will work. I'll stop it here now. I won't. Maybe I'll try later. So for now, it's not synchronizing. It's not working. So let's close this. Shut down. Shut down. Okay. Okay, fine. So let's stop it now. I'll try later, maybe, if stable version will come and something will work. Okay. And if I try something else, I'll again come back to you and try to install and show you how it works. But anyhow, you must have got idea about it. Okay. Hopefully about the interface, how what are things are available. So basically it's just starting again after discontinuation. So maybe after some time you can use it just for test purpose. You can have you can just install and try. That's all. Thanks for watching. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye. Take care.